Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, we here represented the bird robin, and as we all know that it is not an endangered bird, but still we have a very less population of it over here. So we tried to make a shelter for it. As we can see, we have used a clay pot which is easily available in our society, as well as the threads and the wire. All the objects are eco-friendly and we can easily access it. So we also use the recycled plastic sheets so that it could get a platform type of thing at which it can rest and get access to inside its house. This shelter is specially designed for the robin bird, and we have tried to emphasize it. Thank you.
The main concept of this model was to make things comfortable bird shelter using waste materials. The basic minimum required for this is the adhesives, and all the other things are basically waste materials used: cans, plastic bottles, branches of trees, wood pieces, leaves of trees, paper waste. So basically using this we plan to create such a structure so as to where the trees can, the birds can get shelter, and also some of the bottles and the cans are rotating and revolving in structure so as to where the food can be provided by the passerbys to the birds. And also the inside is coated with paper strips so that the birds can get paper proper shelter, and in case they lay eggs, the eggs can also get proper hatching. And the experience while making this project and this workshop, and the experience while doing the workshop for the three of us was quite overwhelming, but overall we enjoyed it and we learned a lot of things, including to make.
শেল্টার বানিয়েছি। তো বেসিক্যালি এটা একটা ওভারহ্যান্ড, একটা প্রোটেক্টেড পার্ট, এবং তার সঙ্গে আমরা একটা প্লাস্টিকের বোতলের মানে ঢাকনা সেটা অ্যাটাচ করে দেবো। এবং বেসিক্যালি এই যে যেই শেল্টার পার্টটা দ্যাট ক্যান বি রিমুভেবল। তো এটা ইজিলি এবং এফিসিয়েন্টলি অ্যাটাচও করা যাবে এবং রিমুভও করা যাবে। তো এটাই হচ্ছে গিয়ে মানে ক্যারেক্টার। তো এটাই হচ্ছে গিয়ে ব্যাপার। আর আমরা মেয়েদের সঙ্গে ইন্টারাক্ট করতে খুবই খুশি হচ্ছে, অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি। তো এটা খুবই ভালো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স।
Some manner in a negative way. So how can we recover that, even in these possible ways also to learn from mutual discussions and co-creations along with our mentors and very esteemed guests.
Good morning. I welcome all the guests, dignitaries present here, and Ma'am Madhumita Roy for giving us an opportunity to partner with these initiatives. Uh, I would like to extend my thanks to Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage as well and the Department of Architecture, Jadavpur University. Merlin I Am Kolkata is a CSR arm of Merlin Group, a trusted brand for over 4 decades to reckon with. At Merlin, we have been silently working for the welfare of the communities for the last 4 decades. However, our CSR endeavor is now renamed as Merlin I Am Kolkata to give it a direction to work for the betterment of our city of joy. Birds in urban areas are indicators of biodiversity. Gone are the days when we used to get up in the morning amidst playful chirping of a flock of house sparrows in our courtyard, which is a natural barometer of the ecosystem. In a rapidly urbanizing modern world, it is extremely important to ensure biodiversity in our cities, and it should be the responsibilities of companies with support from urban designers and architects to implement such bird-friendly architecture. The workshop named Pakhi Ghor, a brainchild of Ma'am Mozamita Roy, I am sure would come up with innovative design habitats for birds which may well fit in the urban buildings. These workshops will further reduce carbon footprint as the waste material provided by our CSR project on integrated waste management in Newtown with Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage. We hope the city will come up with such innovative workshops more quite often that will help us to incorporate such concepts in buildings. Thank you.
First of all, thank you all for being here, and it is our pleasure to be part of this kind of an event. So thank you. সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ, এখানে এসে খুব ভালো লাগলো। ধন্যবাদ।
Collaborating and partnering with students and with MAM in more initiatives in future, more sustainable initiatives. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. We at the West Bengal Pollution Control Board regulate all the real estate industries as to how they should make the planning and what green areas and other things they should leave to make the areas, make the housing societies habitable. But what I saw here, that the students of Department of Architecture, the kind of concept which they have preserved, they have reminded us, the regulators, that there is another aspect to examining things as well. While we are thinking that what you are doing for those who will be living in the house, are we also thinking that we are taking away the space from the other species, birds? Remind me of small things like छोटे छोटे कदम बढ़ाते लंबा रास्ता कट जाता है, छोटे छोटे कदम बढ़ाते लंबा रास्ता कट जाता है, बूंद बूंद पानी डालो तो गहरा सागर भर जाता है। You have shown this, that by just small efforts, what big things can be done. We are really proud of you. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.